How to add members on a group on GroupMe application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get started. First of all, update your GroupMe application and tap on it to launch the application. Next up, click on the group whereby you want to add the members. You can see the option of add people. Tap on it and then you can type a name, email address or phone number to add a member or group. Or you can just tap on share button to invite anyone via link. Once this is done, tap on the tick button on the top right corner and you're good to go. There's another option as well. For that, you have to click on the username and see the members list. Now from here also, you can share the link to invite in a group. Other way around is to click on settings and here you have share group link option. Tapping on it will give you different options by which you can invite or add members to the group. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.